Pero may mga, napansin ko dun sa book, may mga sexy poses si Nadine. May konting sexy rin, di ba? So, may legs ka nun, di ba?
Yeah, sa show
may
po.
mga-
Kasi yung damit
Sa show
po.
na yun, sa damit na yan.
Sa shorts naman po, and then high boots po. High na boots.
Pero sabi ni Tom, mapayagan mo mag-post ko na sexy. Yes.
Actually, wala ako sa shoot na yun.
Kaya sa book po, meron.
Di ba? Meron, di ba?
Meron. Maganda naman po yung concept kasi so, ano lang. Para naman sa book naman po, exclusive naman po for the fans. So, okay lang po.
Okay na wala si Jing. Nagalit ka ba nung Jing? Nagalit?
No.
So ano naman ang feeling mo nung nakita mo yun?
Maganda naman yung photo, so it all worked out really well, so I'm okay. Why?
Sabi mo selfish ka. May nabasa ko selfish ka. No? Ayaw mo i-share yung kaseksiyan ni Nadine sa iba, sa public.
Wait, that makes me selfish?
Yeah, sabi mo. Pino-quote kaya ng selfish ka. Gusto mo sarili mo lang yung kaseksiyan ni Nadine?
Well, it's really up to her, I guess.
Papayagan mo siya.
If it makes her happy.
You. Ikaw nga.
If she's happy, I'm happy, so.
O ikaw. Ikaw. Iba sa depende.
Hindi pa po ready for that.
Hindi pa.
po. Yeah.
So, after this, ano-ano pa mga projects na abangan ng mga fans? After the book, after the concert, what's next?
Well, yes, we have a teleserye po coming. Natong susunod na mga months po siya ipapalabas.
Of course, with Dreamscape, directed
po.
by Director Net.
Okay.
Yes.
Movie. Pelikula.
Movie, sabi po, but then hindi pa po kasi napag-uusapan yung tungkol sa movie. So,
Also directed by the Net Accountant.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you and good luck.
Thank you po.
Congrats na rin to
Thank
my
you po.
favorite love team.
Thank you.
For real.
For real.
Hindi R-E-E,
R-E-A.
R-E-A, ha? Thank you, Junardo. Our next question will come from Rose Garcia.
Hello, James and Nadine, bakit kayo nag-decide to write a tell-all? Nakapagpa-convince kayo?
Actually, the idea was at the Irish. That's she.
Pero yun nga po, parang napag-usapan lang po namin na what if gawa ng book? Well, yung concept po, I guess. But anyway, yun po, parang gusto lang din po namin mas maging close sa amin yung mga fans, tapos mas makilala po kami.
Okay. Tawag yung congrats kasi hindi pa man nilo-launch yung book nyo, naka-sold out na ng more than 100,000, di ba, na copy. So parang may clamor na yata agad na for book 2. Willing ba kayo to have a book 2 agad itong Team Real?
Well, of course, syempre po, kasi at least dito, mas marami pa po kaming maibabahagi sa mga fans namin, mas marami pa po kaming may kukwento sa kanila. Pero for now, let's focus po muna sa Team Real. Kasi ito po talagang lahat po, well, halos lahat po talaga sinabi po namin dito sa book na to.
Na-curious lang ako kay James, mahilig ka pala sa mga multo. Tama ba? Bakit? Sa mga ghosts.
No, actually, yung sinabi ko sa book, I'm insensitive sa mga ganyan, ghosts. Like, I don't believe in ghosts. No, not at all. Even though people tell me my house is haunted, I don't. I'm insensitive to it, that stuff.
Okay. Pwede mo magkwento kayo ng konti dun sa, siyempre sa naging world tour nyo, ang mga naging experience nyo, sa interview niyo sa Teen Vogue magazine, pwede bang magkwento kayo?
Yeah, we were very surprised. to hear that Teen Vogue wanted an interview with us. It was mainly about our relationship and how it came to be.
And of course, sa tour naman po, syempre, kahit marami po kaming shows, 14 shows, kahit 14 shows po kami doon, ay masaya po and all, but then meron din naman po kaming parang vacation on the side, may mga day off din po kami doon na medyo mahaba din po. So, lalo na po like yung sa New York, sobrang nakapaglibot po kaming lahat doon. Sa Canada, nakapag-ikot din po kami.
Na kayo mag-start ng yung bago yung teleserye?
September po, I think, mag-start.
September pa, ang start ng taping?
Ay, di po yung start po mismo.
Nakinig.
Yes.
Thank you,
Thank you
congrats.
po.
Thank you, ate. Okay ka na, ate? And ang susunod na magtatanong si Dinah Ventura.
Hi. Obviously, your lives, both your lives have changed a lot with your fame and success. I'd just like to know, how are you using this fame and success to influence your fans in a positive way?
I guess a lot of our fans look up to us like role models.
Sorry.
Our fans look up to us as role models. So I mean, I don't know. I guess we just try to be good role models through our behavior. So, and how do I get back to the fans?
Well, kami po yung nagiging inspiration nila kasi most of them, especially yung mga nag-aaral pa, nagtatag po sa amin ng yung card nila, yung ng grades po nila, lahat sila matataas, and then palagi pong yung caption is, thank you kasi kayo yung inspiration. Kaming dalawa nga po kasi kayo yung inspiration ko, kaya naging mataas yung grades ko, kaya gusto kong mag-aral ng mabuti, ganun po. And then yung mga achievements nila, yun po, so nakakatuwa kasi ginagawa po nila kami hindi lang role models but inspirations as well.
Yeah, so specifically, like with this book,
What
what are the things about this book that you shared about your life that you think would affect your fans in a positive way? Where you bared everything you said in this book, your life, your thoughts, ganyan. So what is it about you do you think that makes people inspired?
Yeah.
Well, in this book po kasi, sa beauty po, I think, anong chapter yun? Basta sa chapter po ng beauty tips, meron po ako dong sinabi na, yun nga po, na karamihan po ng mga nakabasa na ng libro na nagsasabi na, yun nga, na parang ganun pala. Kasi, feeling po kasi nila parang our lives are perfect, parang ganun. So, in that chapter, lahat po, as in sinabi ko, lahat ng mga naging issues ko, at home, personal issues, ganun na parang sinabi ko po doon na yung mga challenges na yun, hindi ako pinigilan para maabot yung dreams ko and all that. Yun, yung mga ganun po. Pero hindi ko na po ikukwento lahat.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Sir Pablo, talima na sa question.
Yeah. Anong part ng life nyo, James, na ang nasa librong yan? At so far nang naging epekto nito sa following nila?
Sorry po, ano po
Yeah.
kayo?
Anong aspects ng life niya nasa librong yan? At ito ba reflection ng life niyo ngayon? Yung nasa libro?
It is reflection of our lives now. Also, the past, the struggles we've been through. Also, our thoughts on life in general, like on what it really means to be beautiful. Also, on money. A lot of different ideas.
Yeah, okay. Sa karanasan niyo so far, I was wondering, paano kayo nagpo-cope sa over popularity? Is it difficult leading a very popular life? How are you coping so far?
I mean, I guess we are coping. This is what we wanted. We wanted this success, and we do owe a lot of it to all of it to our fans, and we do this for them. Like this book, it's really for them. It's really for them to get to know us better.
Yeah. Nadine, what do you think is the best way to cope with popularity?
The best way to cope with... Well, ano na lang po, for me, I think of the fans na lang po. I think of all the little girls who look up to me, everyone na ginagawa po talaga kaming role model. And then ako parang iniisip ko na lang na, yun nga, parang I want to be an inspiration to them. So, we're always careful with what we do, sa lahat po ng sinasabi namin.
May sequel pa ba itong librong to?
Tignan po natin.
Anong possible aspects ng life na libro?
Past.
Wala pa sa
Wala
plano
po po.
yan.
Tignan po natin.